Mealtime etiquette for your Cavalier, essential tips and guidelines. Mealtime etiquette for your Cavalier. Mealtime is an important part of a Cavalier's daily routine. It not only provides them with essential nutrients, but also creates a bond between you and your furry companion. However, it is crucial to establish proper mealtime etiquette to ensure a healthy and enjoyable dining experience for your Cavalier. In this article, we will discuss the essential tips and guidelines for feeding your Cavalier. 1. Establish a regular feeding schedule. One of the first steps in establishing mealtime etiquette is to create a regular feeding schedule for your Cavalier. Dogs thrive on routine, and having consistent meal times will help them maintain a healthy appetite and digestion. Divide their daily food into 2 or 3 smaller meals, depending on their age and activity level. Stick to the schedule as much as possible to avoid confusion and promote a sense of security for your Cavalier. 2. Use appropriate feeding bowls. Investing in the right feeding bowls for your Cavalier is important. Opt for well-balanced stainless steel or ceramic bowls that are easy to clean and do not retain odors. Avoid using plastic bowls as they can harbor bacteria and cause allergic reactions. Additionally, choose bowls that are appropriately sized for your dog. A deep and wide bowl may cause your Cavalier's ears to dip into their food, leading to potential ear infections. 3. Practice patience and consistency. When it comes to mealtime, practice patience and consistency with your Cavalier. Train them to sit and wait patiently before you give them their food. This teaches them self-control and prevents them from exhibiting aggressive or dominant behaviors during mealtime. Avoid giving in to their demands, such as begging or stealing food from the table. Consistency is key in reinforcing good mealtime manners. Avoid free feeding, or leaving food out all day for your Cavalier to graze on can lead to obesity and other health issues. It is important to control the portion size and monitor their eating habits. Measure the appropriate amount of food for their age, weight, and activity level, and offer it during designated meal times. If your Cavalier doesn't finish their meal within 20 minutes, remove the remaining food to prevent overeating. 5. Use positive reinforcements. Positive reinforcement is an effective technique to reinforce good mealtime behavior in your Cavalier. Offer verbal praise, petting, or small treats when they exhibit proper manners, such as sitting calmly and waiting for their food. This positive association will encourage your dog to continue displaying good mealtime etiquette. 6. Respect personal space. Respecting your Cavalier's personal space during mealtime is essential. Do not disturb them while they eat or attempt to take away their food while they are still consuming it. This can lead to food aggression or anxiety. If you need to approach their bowl, do it slowly and calmly to avoid startling them. Teaching your Cavalier that their mealtime is a safe space will promote a relaxed and stress-free dining experience. 7. Monitor water intake. In addition to their regular meals, it is important to monitor your Cavalier's water intake. Provide fresh water in a clean bowl at all times, but avoid giving them excessive amounts of water immediately before or after their meals. This can lead to digestive issues and bloating. Instead, offer water in moderate quantities throughout the day to keep them hydrated without interfering with their digestion. 8. Be mindful of food allergies and sensitivities. Cavaliers, like any other dog breed, can have food allergies or sensitivities. Some common allergens include chicken, beef, wheat, and soy. If you suspect your Cavalier is having a negative reaction to their food, consult with your veterinarian to determine the best course of action. They may recommend switching to a hypoallergenic diet or eliminating certain ingredients from their meals. In conclusion, establishing proper mealtime etiquette for your Cavalier is essential for their overall well-being and the bond between you and your furry friend. By following these tips and guidelines, you can ensure a healthy and enjoyable dining experience for your Cavalier. Remember to be patient, consistent, and respectful of their needs during mealtime.